welcome back to another video of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Slack app on a mobile phone. Keep watching the video till the end to figure it out. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any update from us. So without any further delay, let's carry on with our video. In order to download Slack app on a mobile phone, firstly go to your Play Store app. Once the main tab is opened, click on the search bar at the top of the screen and then write in Slack. Once you are done, click on the search button at the bottom right corner of the screen. As you can see, the Slack app is available to be downloaded. Click on the install button and now all you have to do is wait. The downloading process has now started and once the percentage hits 100, the app will be downloaded on a mobile phone. Slack is an instant messaging program which makes it easier to contact your colleagues inside or outside an organization. You can use it to communicate with your peers just as you would do in person. Slack is a growing app which is mainly used by organizations for collaboration and communication. Once the installing process ends, the open button should turn green, and once it does, tap on it and it will directly take you to the app. As you can see, the app has now been successfully downloaded and is now ready to be used. That's how it's done. I hope that you found this video helpful, and if you did, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment for any kind of questions and feedbacks. We'll soon be back with more videos. Stay connected and goodbye till then.